I think everyone, whether it's you or me, had thought about our future, we had thought about our dreams. Like for me, I had thought about my success. I had thought that I will support my parents, I will support my family, I will earn money, I will make better videos, I will speak better, I will be better at everything, whether it's communication, whether it's English fluency, whether it's my study. And I had thought about the life which I used to dreamed, which I think that I will become the person I want to become. I had thought a lot of things about my future, but everyone knows, I know everyone knows that only just thinking will not make your future. Like you will not become the person you want just only by dreaming of it or just by imagining of it, but you will become the person you want to become if you will work today, if you will take first step today. What you do today will decide your future also, and what step you are taking today will, like it will make you to reach at the end of your journey. And you know what, the most of things which we do our daily, which we used to just ignore, also makes our future. Like just not just studying for 1 hour, just reading 10 pages a day, regularly practicing your communication, regularly practicing your English speaking, regularly doing an workout session, regularly making a video, or it whether it's anything for you. But like if we say that skipping one day is not gonna change anything, but if you do this day by day, like you are saving an amount every day on the daily basis, then it will become a large amount. Like same will go with this. The step you take today, the things you will do today will become your future also. And we just feel like, if I have skipped one thing one evening, I wasted one evening just scrolling reels, it will change nothing. But if we will just do it for next 1 month, or maybe for next 21 days, can we become our habit, and it will difficult to change that habit. Because if an habit becomes, if you will get an habit, it is very difficult to change it, right? So if you the what I want to say is that small changes, like small steps, will or can make your future better, or can make destroy your future also. And these steps are like simple one which we use to daily, whether it's anything. It can be anything for you, it can be anything for someone else, it can be different for me also. And I'm not saying that these will become your habit or this will become your future overnight, but if you in the future will look back that I don't want that I had become the person that I don't want to be. I had became the person that was just keeping everything, just ignoring the small things that he must do at his past. So I don't want to become that person. If he looks back, that then he realized that if I had not done this, then I would be not became like this. And honestly, if I say, I also sometimes feels like I don't want to do work. I also feels that I am lazy. I also feels that I should skip this day, or I don't want to study, or I just want to scroll reels. I just want to waste the time, like not waste the time, but I don't want to do anything. But I just imagine that if the person, me in the future, who is looking back, seeing myself, will thank me that I am doing these types of things which are not gonna help my future, these types of things which will help me nowhere. Then I think if the future person is not gonna thank me for this, and the answer is obvious that he will not, then I just try to do some work. I just if I had to study 1 hour, just I used to start, just I used to take a step. Because if I will not do it, and if I will not do it, and if I will not tell myself that you have to become this type of person, or I will not motivate myself, then no one is coming to save me. And I think the our future is not made by a big opportunity. Like it will not only become by a big opportunity, only one opportunity, but it becomes when thousands of or hundreds of decisions which you take, it will become then. Like if you take a thousands decision, then it is the mixture of that, like, or it is the sum of that. So if you have to make your tomorrow better, just don't wait for tomorrow. Just wait. Don't wait. Okay, just start by today. And as I said you before also, that if you will your future, okay, your future is decided by what steps you take today, what things you do today, not tomorrow. Cause tomorrow never comes. Like as we had heard, it's been said that tomorrow never comes. So I also think that tomorrow never comes for this situation, or for other situation I'm not saying. But for this situation, if you will wait for tomorrow, I don't think so that it is gonna help you. Because if you will start today, if you will take your step today, then it will impact your future. Okay, so I think that is for today. And you can see I'm fumbling a lot, and I don't have the words which I want to express you. I am not able to explain you. I don't able to explain you, but still I can explain you. And tell me one thing, that I'm improving or not. Cause I feel like I'm not improving, but when I used to record the videos, I it feels that I'm still at the first level. I don't know that I had improved or I had not, but I think I had or I had not. I don't know, because I'm confused also. As I told you, in videos I used to fumble in, uh, and my mind also goes blank. And yeah, I think that is for today. And see you in the next video. Sayonara.